Hosted at Anderson RC in Thomasville, North Carolina, Royfest is a fundraiser for the Randolph Cancer Center in Asheboro, North Carolina. Raising money for a good cause is the why. What Royfest is bashing, rock rolling, raffles, a swap meet, and a whole lot of shenanigans. The Rock Stompers crew is on hand showing off a ton of RC vehicles and letting everyone run their awesome portable rock rolling course. In addition to raising money for a good cause, this was really a something for everyone type event. Thanks for watching Into RC. Please like the video and hit subscribe.